Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a blogging account on Blogger. If you're looking to start your own blog without any technical hassle, Blogger is a fantastic free platform that's perfect for beginners and experienced bloggers alike. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to blogger.com. This is Google's blogging platform, so if you already have a Google account, you're halfway there. Once the page loads, you'll see a clear call to action that says create your blog. Go ahead and click on that button to begin the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to select a Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts logged in, choose the one you want to associate with your blog. This is important because your blog will be linked to this account and you'll use it to manage all your post settings and customization options. Click on the account you want to use and Blogger will connect it to your new blog. Now comes the fun part, creating a title for your blog. Think carefully about this because your blog title is the first thing visitors will see. It should reflect what your blog is about and be memorable. Type in your chosen title in the field provided, then click Next to move forward. Don't worry too much though, you can always change this later if you want to rebrand or adjust your focus. After setting your title, you'll need to input a URL for your blog. This is the web address people will use to find you, and it will typically look something like your blog name.blogspot.com. Make sure it's simple, easy to remember, and closely related to your blog's title or topic. Once you've typed in your preferred URL, click Next. If the URL is already taken, Blogger will let you know, and you'll need to try a different variation. The next step is to input a display name. This is the name that will appear on your blog posts and profile, so choose something that represents you or your brand. It could be your real name, a pen name, or a business name, depending on how you want to present yourself to your audience. Type it in and click Finish to complete the setup process. And just like that, you've created your Blogger account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an option that says View Blog. Click on this to see a sample preview of what your blog looks like right now. It's a basic template at this stage, but you can customize the design, layout, and colors later to match your vision. You're now all set to start writing and publishing content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.